At Sentience, we are building mobile software development kit that's running on Android and iOS that is capable of taking the sensor data that is present on the smartphone and wearables and transforming this information into contextual intelligence and behavioral profiles. Telcos have an extraordinary opportunity to start monetizing on the Internet of Things by simply acting as a sensor hub, basically interconnecting all the sensor data and making intelligence out of the sensor data and giving that back to their clients and developers and millions of people out there.
This application is about automation. They can involve mobile apps and smartphone functions, also with other Internet of Things devices, and create, if something happens, do something else, logic, automations. Telco will need to dare a little more and actually believe in all the disruptive ideas that startups can bring into them and really invest them if they want to disrupt and not just be telcos.
Visual Lead creates connections between the physical world and the digital world, and we power that through visual QR codes. Telcos can take advantage of this big data and personalize the service in a contextual way that makes my life easy as a consumer. And I hope that telcos with regulators find a way in order to make our lives more simple and more connected in the next 4 years.